Congratulations once again to our graduating students. Watching you all prepare for your first formal dining, cooking, and presentation in line with our certification standards as part of the 3-month Chef Diploma program filled me with immense joy. We are eager to hear about your culinary adventures and are here to support you all through our alumni platform. We're thrilled to announce that registration is currently open for our Chef Diploma programs and short-term courses. To learn more about our course curriculum, tuition fees, registration forms, and more, please click the WhatsApp link in our bio or visit www.tastebudzng.com. Join us at the Tastebudz Culinary Academy, Lagos.